I'm Brian Moody with Capital One Auto Navigator, and this is the all-electric, all-new Nissan Leaf. Now, if you're shopping for a hybrid or electric vehicle, you may be concerned about the batteries that power those cars because they can be expensive to replace. However, that's not as common as you might think. In fact, cars like this Leaf have an 8-year or 100,000-mile warranty on the batteries. That means the first 2 or 3 owners are likely to be covered by Nissan's new car battery warranty. Most electric cars are like this. However, be sure to ask your selling dealer to highlight the exact terms of the warranty. Some cover the batteries only, while others include the battery and drive components. If all else fails, try to find the original new car warranty booklet online. This is readily available with a simple Google search. For an all-electric car, 8 years or 100,000 miles is typical. On the other hand, hybrids like this Toyota RAV4, they do use the same type of batteries as all-electric cars, so concern about the battery failing and being expensive to replace, well, that's reasonable. However, hybrids like this RAV4 have a 10-year, 150,000-mile warranty on the batteries, and that began with the 2020 model year. That means if you were buying a used Toyota hybrid that was 7 years old with 100,000 miles on it, you would still have a 3-year or 50,000-mile warranty left on the car. That's pretty impressive. Some Mercedes-Benz vehicles have a 150,000-mile warranty as well. Rivian vehicles have battery warranties that range from 120,000 miles to 150,000 miles. Keep in mind, not all batteries are guaranteed to have 100% capacity for the life of the car. There is a threshold that's considered normal. For example, if you bring your electric car battery in for servicing and it still has 70 to 75% of its original life, that's considered normal. Once it drops below that threshold, battery replacement under warranty is somewhat more common.